Cabin crew prepare for a manual safety demonstration.
Whilst the cabin crew take their positions for the safety briefing, please to remind you smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes inside the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Personal devices should have the flight safe mode feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Devices with detachable keypads must either be folded closed or removed completely and placed in a suitable stowage. Large devices, including laptops, must be stowed away safely for takeoff and landing. Please unplug your devices from the power sockets for takeoff and landing. They must also be unplugged when they aren't in use during the flight. If you lose your device in your seat, please do not move and let one of the cabin crew know. Hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker so it doesn't block the aisles or exits. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. We ask for your full attention whilst we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, as they may differ from any aircraft you have flown on before. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and worn whenever the seatbelt signs are on. It is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided and masks like this will appear automatically. To stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask towards you and place it over your mouth and nose, breathing normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on the colour streamer to release your mask and ensure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. The whistle and light can be used to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. Should we need to evacuate, move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Low level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and being pointed out to you now. Please locate your nearest exit. Remember, it may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High heel shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please now check that your seat is upright or in the takeoff position with your armrest down, your table is folded away, personal devices unplugged and window blinds are open ready for takeoff. Please study the safety card in your seat area before you depart. This contains important safety information including details on your brace position. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
George Hunt, and it's my pleasure to be the flight lead on this service today, and I do have the great pleasure of working alongside a lovely team with Paula, Rita and Josh. A special welcome to those of you returning from the British Airways Club and those of you joining from our One Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. And as a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping and use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This does include the toilets, which are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors. We're pleased to offer free onboard Wi-Fi messaging for all members of the British Airways Club on today's flight, and shortly we'll be able to connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join the club at shop.ba.com to get started. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We will shortly be starting our onboard service, and if you do have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, then please do contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. Eurotraveller will be serving pre-purchase items from our Highlight Cafe, and to follow will offer you a snack and a bottle of water and compliments. This will then be followed by our Highlight Cafe and shop service. And if you would like to purchase from a selection of Highlight Cafe items on today's flight, then please refer to the menu card in your seat pocket to discover the items available. Please note that we do not accept cash as payment. We invite you now to make yourselves at home and enjoy our hospitality, and if there is anything that we can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please do